Hi NonoObis, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe down below, share this video, put down in the comment section what are your thoughts about this video, this tush video I'm about to do now. Guys, this video is very funny, trust me, it's very funny. So apparently we all know Hilda, the person that won the last Guinness Book of Record cooking marathon. I think she cooked for 92 hours, if I'm not sure. If it's not correct, I'm going to put down the correct hour she cooked for. Since after that, Nigeria has gone berserk. Everybody wants to go on the Guinness Book of Record. I know one thing about Nigeria is that one thing that goes successfully, everybody wants to jump on it. I don't know if it's the population that we had that is stopping. Even Guinness Book of Records is not tired. They are tired. They have sent us message. Let me read the message. They have actually sent us message where they said, enough with the record thons. Guinness World Record tells Nigeria. Like, they are basically tired. They are basically tired of us coming on these thons. In fact, they even told us before writing this message to us, they told us that before you start a record, you should send an email and they will look at it and approve that record you're about to, that Guinness record or world record you're about to partake in before you can start to, carry on with it. But trust me, my country will not listen. They will, first of all, they will go and take the thorn. And if it doesn't work out, I don't know. In fact, I don't know. Nigeria is just a cruise. Nigeria is just a cruise. Do you understand? At first, when they wrote this, somebody said, Nigeria, we are trying to break all the records. And Guinness replied, we welcome applications from all over the world. We can all be friends. Do you understand? This one said, Guinness governor said, I'm coming from the idea a ton and puff off a ton title. Get ready. And Guinness World Record said, please enough with the record a ton. And somebody said, aren't you people tired of my country? And Guinness said, which country? And somebody said, Nigeria. Seriously, basically, Nigeria just try to turn everything into a joke. They try to make every opportunity that seems like we are not serious country. We are not serious with anything in this country. That is how we present ourselves basically. And it's so annoying. Do you understand? It's so annoying. They have told you guys after Hilda went for this marathon, before you engage in any Guinness Book of Record thing, you should send them an email, and once they approve it, you can start, so you don't waste your time or waste your resources or whatever means you're taking the turn in. Do you understand? But still, we go ahead. In fact, after Hilda did the Guinness Book of Record thing, so many Guinness Book of Record competitions are coming out. Even the one that was banned in, is it Osun State or whatever, they want to do sex Guinness Book of Records. Someone wants to break the record for sleeping with somebody for a long time. I don't know. The one that even now told me. I now decided to bring this thing today so we can discuss it together. It's not this one. Just watch this video, guys, and we'll come back and talk about it.
Hey everyone, my name is Fumi Ojelade, a Nigerian woman from Ogun State. I'll be setting in a challenge with the Guinness World Record for an indoor turn by 168 hours, meaning no going out, no chatting, no calling in or calling out for the next 7 days. I'll be dedicating this challenge to the less privileged in order to raise funds and to support them in any way we can. As we all know, things are quite difficult in Nigeria presently. So please, mom and dad, uncles and aunties, brothers and sisters home and abroad, I need your support to help me accomplish this challenge as I go live on the 15th to 21 of July 2023 on all social media platforms. My youth must be useful. Thank you and God bless you all.
I don't know. We don't listen. Just see, after the whole thing that Guinness Book of Records said, somebody just came out again to say that she's doing, she wants to partake in indoor turn. She's not going to go out, she's just being inside, no internet, but you're going to place your phone for us to be seeing that. And she said in between it that she's going to, take whatever thing she got from it to the less privileged. Auntie, me and we not take it to less privilege. Just stop taking that cap. Stop using less privilege to take advantage of us. We know that you don't take it to less privilege. So let's forget about that one. The one that even pisses me more is See, I'm going to divert a little bit. You're taking record a tons in sitting inside, not pressing your phone, not doing anything about internet, just just stay sleep just like that. How many of you have taken record and turn for Christ? What if you come out and say, without telling us that you're going to, without having anything to do with the Guinness Book of Records, just come out and tell us that you want to partake, you want to challenge yourself and partake in this particular thing just for the love of Christ and for winning souls. That you're not going to press your phone, you're not going to chat anybody, you're not going to receive calls or send SMS just for winning souls for Christ. We will support you. Yes, masses will support you. Just tweak it a little bit, make it look original. Do you understand? It mustn't be Guinness Book of Record. Can't we just divert it to and the worst part of it is that things just goes like this. It never comes in aspect of Christ. No. It never comes in aspect of Lord. Sacrifices. Doing things for things of Christ. These are things you would have just done normally for your own salvation. I'm not going to press phone too much. Internet is distracting me from the things of God. The time for using internet, the time for pressing phone, the time for sending messages, the time for chatting my friends. I'm just going to use that time and read my Bible. I'm just going to use that time and memorize the word of God and build up on my spiritual faith and my strength with God. That kind of thing. But no, they still want to come back and do Guinness Book of Records. This is the very, in fact, if there's anything like daftest thing I've ever heard, is this particular Guinness indoor turn that this girl wants to do. In fact, if there's English like daftest, that is the daftest thing I've had. Auntie, who cares if you want to be inside and not press your phone? How is my business? Who cares? Then why are you owning the internet for us? Why are you owning the phone for us? And trust me now, guys, on this particular kind of thing, I just like to sleep on the comment section. Seriously, if I see this kind of thing, I just laugh. The next place you find me is the comment section where I'll be reading comments and be laughing and laughing. And trust me, after this girl had posted, I think this way I posted this thing like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, they just died the lights. They died the lights. The other girl that came to compete with Hilda, that came to compete after Hilda, oh, I think she failed within the time and she went back to continue with her school. She didn't get the most support she's supposed to get. See, I'm not even that people are coming immediately after Hilda got her World Guinness Book of Record thing with the cooking thing and still coming to do things about cooking. Some people are on the notion that everybody has the right to participate in whatever they're participating. Me, I'm on the notion that it's kind of witchcraft. Somebody just finished the marathon and won. The person has not even received certificate. You're already coming out to do the same thing the person did. It's not like winchi. It's not like winchi. You think because the person did it, it's now very easy for you to just come out and do your own, right? I beg. Guys, things in Nigeria is just overboard. Please stop coming out for this Guinness Book of Record. Give Guinness Book of Record a chill. Some people said in the comment section that we want to finish the book. I want to finish the record. I want to finish the book. I trust Nigeria. We really want to finish the record and the book. I trust that they can do it very well. Guys, just relax. Relax in this Guinness Book of Record thing you're coming out. Relax, at least. Just give the people breathing space till October. Then send mail to them like they said. They said send mail to us. We get that approved. Then you can do things the right way. I'm sure that they're even tired of Nigeria at this point I'm speaking. They are very much tired of us. Oh my god, guys. I just came to talk to you and just laugh with you guys and just expect videos, things around, discussing things that I feel are very funny, that I feel that has gone over in the internet, and I just want to come and laugh with you guys and discuss with you guys. Expect videos like that. Expect videos like vlogs as well, or anything I feel that is my how will I put it, anything I feel that interests me or that's going to be of benefit to you guys that I know or that I see I've heard. Okay, Make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Yes, I know I've been away for a very long time, and I am back now. I am back gradually. I won't say I'm fully back, but you know, this energy comes. It comes gradually. I know I've lost most of my subscribers. I know my views has gotten much down compared to before, but nevertheless, I just keep doing the things I'm doing and loving the things I'm loving, and we'll see where it gets us to. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.